Hi, I'm Karina, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to customize your own profile and make changes to your personal account. The first thing you need to do when making changes to your profile is to click on your profile in the top corner. In the first section, you can add your picture or make any changes to your display information. Don't forget to click on Save. In the second section, you can add more information about who you are or the skills you have. In the third and last section, you can add information about the sector where you're active in, the role that you have within the company, or add any links connected to your social media account. Click on Save. Now that you have customized your personal profile, it's time for step 2, managing your notifications. In this case, notifications are emails that you will receive from the activities in the platform. You can enable, for example, all kinds of notifications, but you can also customize them by only enabling those notifications you would like to receive. Once you have made your selection, click on Save. After customizing your notifications, you can do 2 more things in your personal account. You can add your address, and if you click on Security, you can change your password. Just follow the instructions on the screen and click on Save. Next time you log in the Kadans community platform, you will be asked to enter your new password. And there you have it. Just in a couple of steps, you can make changes to your profile and your notifications. Thanks for watching.